Hello, 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 good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and welcome. So, I'm in the garage, always in the garage at the moment, but let's have a look. It's looking a little bit tidier. Taking a whole load of stuff from the driveway project back and got refunds on it, which is good. You'll notice there, that is the tow cover for the caravan, which must mean, yes, Missy's back. She's back again. So there's Harvey, he's going. Bye-bye. So yeah, so the caravan came back yesterday. Towed it back in the morning, very uneventful. Got back home and thought, here's the old trick. I know now I've put the hardcore down, I can just drive straight across and use the motor mover to move it. Nope. The motor mover just dug straight into the compacted hardcore. So ended up with help from Mrs. B. Ended up taking the truck and the caravan back onto the road up that way, and then reversed it back in again. So reversed it on the back of the truck. Managed to get in after about 3 attempts, I think it was. So yeah, my reversing skills have still need a lot of improving, but there she is. Missy's back on the compacted hardcore, looking happy. All the security's on. I completely forgot about the about using the lock and level. I reversed back and ended up putting one of the Alco locks on and jacked it up and put the other one on. So I will get round to using the lock and level. There's all the rubbish at the end of the drive. It's going to be collected tomorrow, I think, which would be nice. Another thing I did was I saw a couple of reviews online about saying don't put your Acarol in your Wastemaster in your shower because it can damage the shower. So I was in quite a hurry to get home yesterday morning. I was up at 6. Got everything packed and ready to go, left at just after 7. So everything is actually, I don't know if you see that, but it's all in the truck at the moment. So, and the back of the truck, where I've been using it as a builder's van, is an absolute mess. So the job for this evening is to tidy the truck up, get all the stuff in from the back, and maybe get the hoover out even. I might stick it on the side. This will be an interesting one. Watching me hoover the truck. Whoa, wow. You don't want to miss that. I'll see you in a mo. Bye. There we go, that's all the camping stuff in from the truck. This is an old hoodie I was using for mucky work, and a cup. That's with a caravan cup. So we've got to take that in the house and get that washed up and back out into the caravan. And a price list from Brunel Building Supplies. But I've got to say, if you're doing any project and you're based in Wiltshire, use Brunel Building Supplies. They are awesome, awesome. Yeah, so that's the back seats of the truck done. Next thing I'm going to get the old hoover out, hoover some of this up, because I've got a big industrial hoover, so I'm going to do that next. I'll see you in a mo. I'm so tired, my back really hurts today. Started a new project, that's why I'm wearing a shirt. So for work, I've been working today and tomorrow, and then long weekend. See you in a mo. Well, that's as much as the Hoover's going to do this evening. I'm going to get a hose pipe out. I would get the pressure washer out, but it's a little bit too late for that. It's only what's time? 6:25. It's not really, but it's getting a bit dusky. But yeah, I'm just going to get the hose out, give it a hose out the back. I'll see you in a mo. Bye. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit cleaner. Yeah, just gonna leave it, let it dry out, or not. I'll leave the back open. Oh look, there's mud down there. I'll clean that again now. I'm sure you don't want to watch me do that, so I'm gonna do that now. And I'll see you in the next one. Clean out the back of your truck. It will change your life. See you soon. Bye.